Let it be documented today. One, I believe that the sun is my friend. He enjoys when I come outside. But it's raining. When I came outside, the sun came out. Me and my friend been making beats all morning. We was making the dope beats. It was dope. We was making sad beats. It was kind of getting rainy, but it was cool. As you can see, there's water on my window, but the sun is out. So this is like some Dayton shit. Like, this is the energy equation that I'm talking about. Like, we can make it positive and look beautiful. This is December right here. This is December 14th, Dayton, Ohio. I swear to you, every day has been a record high. Nope, it's not on no global warming shit. It's just people been feeling good. I mean, people, and a lot of been murders like it's normally be. 10 motherfuckers died 10 days. Like, it's been nice. Just keep it that way. I got my new beat in. Here go one of the beats we was working on. This fire. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Start it over. Start. Roll the window up. Nigga dropped the top on December 14th. I just found $500 in my pocket. Don't leave that out, nigga. Yeah, in my wallet. And I feel great out this motherfucker. Just slapping. Oh, turn these off, nigga. Get outside though. New houses up there. See that water on there. Beautiful day in the neighborhood, man. Best December 14th I ever seen in my life. Let's get it. Let's ride. Breaking all this shit down myself is dope. Shout out my nigga BA on the tracks with me. Mike here on the computer side, you know what I'm saying? Constellations, man. Gotta see that shit. Moving stars.